All right, in our last example with law of cosines, we know 3 of the sides of a non-right triangle, but we don't know any of the angles. So let's use our law of cosines to find some of these. Let's start by finding gamma. So remember the equation with gamma in it, we'll have c squared equals a squared plus b squared minus 2ab cosine of gamma. And in the end, we'll have to take the arc cosine or the cosine inverse to get gamma. Okay, so we know A, B, and C. So we know C is 25. We know A is 20. We know B is 18. Then we subtract 2 times AB, which is 20 times 18, and then cosine of gamma. Okay, so what do we get here? 625, 400, and 324 minus 720 cosine gamma. And then I'll subtract the 400 and the 324, and that gives me negative 99 over here. This is negative 720 cosine gamma, then divide by negative 720 on both sides to get what cosine of gamma is, and then we'll take the inverse cosine. So 99 over 720, negative 99 over negative 720 is about, or maybe it's actually exactly 0.375. And then to find gamma, I'm just going to take the cosine inverse of 0.1375. So then this will tell me what angle has the cosine 0.1375. So between 0 and 180 degrees. So gamma is approximately, in degrees, 82.10. So if we go up here, 82.10 degrees. Okay, so there's one of them. So we need to do this again for one of the other ones, but remember, once we have the 2 of them, then we don't have to do the last one because we can just use the fact that they should add up to 180. So let's see, I did beta, so we have b squared equals a squared plus c squared minus 2ac cosine of beta. All right, so fill these in. I got 18 for b, 20 for A, and 25 for C. And beta is what we're looking for, so that'll stay a variable. So subtracting everything, oh yeah, so this is 324, this is still 400, this is still 625, this is minus, this is 1,000, cosine beta. All right, so we subtract everything over, get negative 701 equal to negative 1,000 cosine beta, and then divide by the negative 1,000. And then, so this is going to be 0.701. And so beta will just be the cosine inverse of 0.701. And so beta is approximately in degrees 45.50. So I'll go back up here. All right, so now there's how we got beta using law of cosines. And now the last bit, alpha, we can just use the fact that these angles should have to add up to 180. So 82.10 plus 45.50 plus alpha has to be 180. And we solve this, alpha needs to be 52.40. Okay, so there's all the missing pieces.